Hello and Assalamu alaikum. We learn in this video air conditioning repair in Coral Spring FL. 8 Air Pros. We provide Coral Spring, Florida with trusted residential air conditioning repair service. Our team is comprised of expert AC professionals who perform available AC repair as well as specialize in AC tune up and AC installation service with speed and efficiency. We have been serving areas across Florida including Davie, Fort Lauderdale, Boca Raton, Akola, and Coral Spring with AC Spring servers that keep their space cool and comfortable all year long. If you are seeking as AC repair solution in the Coral Spring area, look no further than Air Purpose. Sandview Coral Spring property needs AC repair. There are a variety of reasons your Coral Spring air conditioning system would need to be serviced. The first step in determining of if your unit needs service is to recognize the sign that indicate your AC needs a repair right away. The most common signs that indicate you need AC repair include: number 1, your AC is not cooling your space. Number 2, your air conditioner is blowing hot air. Number 3, your AC unit is leaking fluid, also known as refrigerant. refrigerant. Number 4, your air conditioner is making strange noises. Number 5, your AC has broken off frozen coil. The thermostat for your AC unit is broken. Number 6, there is an unusual door coming for your AC unit. No matter what type of AC problem you are experiencing, our team at Air Pros is prepared to arrive at your Coral Spring, Florida property on time with the proper tools and equipment to solve the AC problem with a lasting solution. Trusted residential air conditioning repair service. Our team at Air Purpose provide Coral Spring with a variety of residential air conditioning repair service that resolve their AC problem. Apart from our comprehensive range of AC repair solutions in Coral Spring FL, you can rely on Air Pros for these other services. Duct cleaning involves inspecting all of the air ducts within your home to ensure that they are not blocked with a build up the is prohibiting cool air produced by your AC unit from flowing through your home. Thanks for watching my video and subscribe my channel for new videos. Thank you.